Hello students, I Parnika, your computer teacher, is here to introduce MS Word.
Then we have the next thing we have is the vertical bar. It is the vertical scroll bar. So if you want to move up and down the page, you will be using the vertical scroll bar. Everyone kindly please see on the screen, right hand side corner of the screen, vertical scroll bar. Okay. So this is the vertical scroll bar, which actually shows you and helps you to move up and down. It helps you to move up and down. So this is the vertical scroll bar. So here we have vertical scroll bar. Similar, we have also a horizontal scroll bar. If you zoom in, then you will be having a horizontal scroll bar as well present here. So zoom in and zoom out, then you can, if you zoom in, then you will be having a vertical scroll bar as well. Okay. Now we talked about vertical scroll bar. I'll show you how does it works. Just give me a second. See, if we talk about vertical scroll bar, if I move down, the text will be moving up. Okay, so this is the vertical scroll bar, which helps you to move up and down. Then we have tabs present here. What do we have? We have tabs also present here. So we'll see what are tabs. Tabs are the basic functionalities of this particular window. This is the tabs. We have file tab, we have home tab, we have insert, design, then page layout, references, mailing, reviews. These are what? These are our tabs which are present here with the Microsoft Word window. So each tab has its own function. Each tab has its own function. If you click on file, it will help you to open a new file, save as, you will get a close option and new option. Once we click on home tab, then the home tab will help you to give the functionality related to the text which you are typing. Like you want to change the font size, font color, the font indentation, paragraphs indentation if you want to change, or you want to change the font style, you can go ahead and do it with the help of this home tab. Once we talk about insert tab, in the under the insert tab, you can insert things of your choice. For example, if you want to insert any of the shapes, you can go ahead and insert any of the shape with the help of this tabs. Okay, where once you click on this tab, you will be able to choose any of the shapes if you want. Okay, then you have charts also. If you want to include charts, you can include charts. Okay, you can include any of the bookmark if you want. You can include text boxes, you can include pictures. So this is about insert tab. Once we talk about design tab, you can choose how your document should be designed. किस तरीके की theme होनी चाहिए, what should be the theme, what should be the color. So you can decide it according to it by clicking on the design tab. Then you have page layout tab. Page layout, you can change the orientations, you can decide the margins, you can decide the alignment of the page on which you are working. Once we talk about references, you can insert footnote, you can insert any table of any of the type of figures you want to include. You can go ahead and do it in the references. Mail, you can mail merge. There are many specifications, many different varieties in mailing. You can go ahead and do the mailing process also. Then we have review. You can do the spell check here. You can count the words here. You can translate things here itself. Once we talk about view, you can check the view, how your document will come out as once you print it out. So these are the different facilities which are present here with our tabs in Microsoft Word window. Okay. The next important thing which we'll be talking about is, just give me a second. The next thing which we'll be talking about is the ribbon. These are the tabs. Now we'll talk about the ribbons. What are ribbons? Ribbons are the ones, once we select a tab, the tab has some facilities with it. The tabs have some facilities with it. So that facilities which it has is being shown where it is shown in the ribbon. So every tab has a particular feature और वो features हमें कहाँ दिखेंगे? वो सारे features हमें दिखेंगे ribbon में. Okay, so this is the ribbon. Everyone will see this is the ribbon. This is basically the ribbon. Okay. Okay. So this is the ribbon which actually shows all the functions related to the tab which you have selected. So if I select a home tab, it will be showing me the functions related to the home tab. If I select a design tab, it will be showing me the functions related to the design tab. So it is basically the ribbon which shows all the varieties of options present with a particular tab. So that is why it is known as ribbon. Okay, so the ribbon is divided into groups. These ribbons are divided into groups. There are a particular group. As I talked about, we have a font group in which there is a dealing with the font style. कैसा आपका document दिखेगा, जो आप text लिख रहे हो वो कैसा दिखेगा, कैसे color में आएगा, कौन सी size में आएगा, ये आप font में decide कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Whereas अगर हम paragraph group की बात करें, so in paragraph group you can decide how your paragraph will actually look. लेफ्ट अलाइनमेंट होना चाहिए, मिडिल अलाइनमेंट होना चाहिए, राइट अलाइनमेंट होना चाहिए, या as in whichever alignment you choose, it will show your document according to that. जो भी paragraph, whichever paragraph you select, it will be showing it according to the alignment which you choose. So here, if I have written here Sri Rama Bharati Public School and I have chosen it as a middle alignment, okay, center. Okay, once we choose justify, it will justify. Whichever is the proper way, it will justify it. If I choose a right alignment, it would be on the right hand side, all the things. If we talk about the left alignment, everything will be on the left hand side. So you can provide bullets, you can do numbering under this paragraph group. So there are different groups in which it is divided. So these are the groups. Okay, so these are the groups, everyone. Font group. Just give me a second. We have different groups. Number one is the font group or the clipboard group. Then we have paragraph group. Okay. Then we have style group. So these are groups. These are groups under which it is being divided. Okay. So you can work on groups as well. So these are said to be the groups. I hope this is clear to you people. So these are groups. Yeah. Just give me a second. Yes. Now talking about the wherever I have written Sri Rama Bharati Public School, the page which you are able to see here in front of you, this whole page is known as what? This whole page is known as document area. This whole page is known as document area, where you can go ahead and type the text whichever you want of your choice. You can type text of your choice. So this is the this is what? This is the document area. So this is the document area where you can go ahead and type the text of your choice. So this whole page is said to be the document area. Okay, where you can go ahead and type according to your wish, whatever you want to type. So this is the document area. So everyone, these are the major components. These are the major components of what? These are the major components of MS Word window. These are the major components of MS Word window, where you can do a lot of things. Okay, there are a lot of facilities. All you need to do is just explore all the facilities